Knowing your rights in the school system. You always have the right to meet with your child's principal and teacher for any issue with your child relating to school. How class size affects learning. With more students per class comes less one-to-one student attention and less per student classroom help. So if your child is falling behind and needs help, in the menu section of this DVD, we've included a parent educational resource section for you to find help for your child. Bullying and how it affects your child's learning. Bullying, whether in a classroom or on or off school property, affects children in different ways, but the end result is usually a noticeable drop in school performance, affecting their ability to focus on schoolwork, wanting to go to school, and self-confidence. How a child's confidence affects their learning. If a child feels they are too far behind and that it is impossible to get caught up, they may just give up academically. Is your child ready for the next grade level? If your child has achieved the academic goals of his current grade level and is emotionally and socially at the same level as his fellow students, then he should be ready to advance to the next grade level without issue. Sometimes a child is suddenly shy, quiet, or reserved, which can signal to you several different causes. One may be that he is falling behind in school, he is being bullied, or there's a change in home life, like a divorce or moving and attending a new school. The most important point to remember is that you have a right to meet with your child's school principal and teacher anytime to talk about your child's school performance. This can be before your child starts kindergarten or once your child is in upper grade levels. Take an active role in your child's education. Observe your child closely. Review homework. Look for signs that show they may be struggling with foundational subjects like reading or math. Are they naturally shy, reserved, or quiet? Or has this behavior recently begun? Are they hiding their homework or other schoolwork? Are they pretending to be sick on school mornings? These are all signs that your child may be struggling with school, academically or socially. When you ask your child if anything is wrong, most will respond, "No, everything's fine," even if something is bothering them. They may not know how to tell you what's on their mind, or they're afraid if they do tell you, they will be judged or that their feelings will be dismissed or they will be punished. Listen closely to your child when they are telling you what's bothering them. Most often, they will speak about their feelings to tell you what is happening with them. And it's not unusual for boys to act out about what's bothering them through their behavior, sometimes even physically or violently, while girls tend to be silent and moody and may sit in their rooms and sulk or cry. To help make a connection with your child, repeat back to them what you are hearing from them without comment or judgment. This lets them know you are listening and that you understand, and always ask if you hear them correctly. For example, say you ask your child, "How are things going at school?" and they say, "Fine," yet you sense fine is not the whole story. A non-confrontational response from you would be something like, "I'm happy school is going well for you. However, I sense there might be something bothering you. If so, can you tell me about it?" Ask in a way that is non-judgmental and non-confrontational, that shows that you are truly wanting to understand what is happening for them, and that you want to help them discover a solution they can be happy with. Remember, children, especially young children, when asked about something they are uncomfortable with, will usually talk more about their feelings than the situation. Remember the boy who was bullied?
It just feels like I'm being bullied, even if I'm doing the right thing. And if I try to do the right thing, they try to put me to do something else. You feel like you're brainwashed once it happened. You can't go back.
We've covered a lot of ground, and although it's impossible to cover every concern you and your child may be having around school issues, by covering the key points, we hope we've provided you with practical information you can use. Thank you for caring about your child's education and for wanting to learn more about what you can do to ensure your child's success with school.